Hello, Group 2. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your reading for Group 2 for December 2021 from your angel, spirit guides, divine universe, your ancestors here for the month of December 2021. You can choose any one group from the group 1 to the group 7. I'm going to upload 7 group readings, so you can choose any one any group 1, okay, or more than one groups according to your intuition, according to your inner guidance, okay. Whatever inner guidance you are receiving, you can choose according to any group, whatever group you want to choose, okay. So let's start your reading and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, okay. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for group 2 for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for the group 2. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for group 2 for the month of December? What are the messages you want me to deliver for group 2? What are the messages for group 2? One more message for group 2. Please give me one more message for group 2. Please give me one more message. I love it when the universe, the divine, the spirit guides, the angels give me the messages again. When I don't take it, but they give me again. Okay. So the message for you is that you have to be open up and speak up. Okay, group 2, you have to release all the weight you are carrying on your chest, and you have to speak up with love, and you will be heard, okay. Truth will be revealed, and there are a lot of downloads, and there is a lot of deep insights which are coming up for you from the direct heaven and the astral realms. You have to choose to be loved and do what is right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand. Choose to be loved, choose to be care and compassion. Do the things according to the compassion, having compassion. But right now this is Mercury, which is open communication, which says that you are carrying lot of things on your shoulder. There's lot of things you want to say, you want to communicate, but you are not communicating. So now you can communicate, now you can say those things here, okay. So release all those things which you want to say, okay. Speak up your words, speak up your things with love, okay. There is Lady Venus, this is downloading and understanding. So there is lot of downloadings, okay, which are coming up. There is truth which is going to revealed in front of you in the month of December. There are deep insights which are coming up directly from the heaven and the astral realms, which are coming up for you. So just be open and follow your intuition to receive and understand these downloads and deep insights which are coming directly from the heaven. This is Kuan Yin. This is choose to be loved. Do anything with compassion. Have compassion for yourself and everyone which is involved in the situation here. So these are the 3 messages which I am receiving here for you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add messages from the Secret Travel Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for the group 2. Please give me the messages for group 2. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the message for group 2. Wow. Get ready for new horizons, okay. Get ready for new things, new horizons, because truth is going to be being revealed. There are deep insights which are coming up from the heaven and the astral realms. Any other message? There is too many message. Okay, so you have to trust in the divine plan and get ready for the new horizons, far away places, and get ready for new horizons. Maybe some of you are shifting places, you are shifting your home, okay, or your offices, or you are traveling somewhere. Okay, trust that there is a divine plan. Everything is happening according to the divine plan in your life. So you have to keep the trust. Okay, keep the trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan here. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from the Work Your Light Oracle decks. Please give me the message for group 2. Please give me the message. Okay, don't try to fit in. Okay, don't try to dim your light to fit into some relationship or in your family or in your career. You have to ask yourself that how are you dimming your light in order to fit in. Okay, because you are not opening up. You want to say lot of things, but you are not saying lot of things here. This is play and trust your path. See, again the message is, if you know you would be supported, what would you do? Okay, you are being protected and supported from the divine, from the angels, from the universe, and trust that there is a divine plan for your life and everything is happening according to the divine plan. You are trying to fit in somewhere, either in relationship, either in job, career, or your home, family, friends, anywhere, but you are trying to fit in here. So don't try to fit in. You are dimming your own light in order to fit in. And the third message is, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Okay, don't be so serious, have fun here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. There is lot of purple light which is available here in your reading. So maybe your crown chakra, and yeah, your crown chakra is being getting activated. Now you can receive lot of downloads and the messages and the guidance from the universe. You are here to create, to birth a new age, a age of gold light, a age of love, okay, which we called as golden age of Aquarius or Satyug in Hindi. Okay, so 0808 808, maybe you can see this number of 888 888 or 808. So this is very beautiful and powerful message. Now let me see more messages for group 2. You are here to birth a new age, a new era, I can say here. So this is very beautiful. See, travel is here. Some of you are going to travel somewhere. You are already traveling. Either you are already traveling here, but there you are traveling or shifting your home, your space. Okay, so let me add one message for group 2. Please give me one message for group 2. Please give me one message. Love. This is love and this is transformation. Some of you are dealing with someone who is your twin flame or who is your divine counterpart or your soulmate. Okay, so love is coming up for you. There is good news, good information which is coming up for you here. You are transforming. Transformation is taking place here. Okay, so transformation is taking place for you. This is good news which is coming up for you, and this is very beautiful energy. The love is coming up for you here in the month of December. The angels wants to say you that you just have to get the weight which you are carrying on your shoulder. You are carrying lot of burdens here. Just I cut out, see, soulmate. Definitely you are dealing with a soulmate. Okay, so you are dealing with a soulmate here. This is your soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this, and they will manifest physically. So some of you, the soulmate is coming up for you in the month of December. Okay, you are manifesting the soulmate, and the soulmate is coming up here. Maybe you both live in different countries or different states, and that's why you are shifting places to stay at one place. But there is a transformation here which is happening in your relationship. This is your relationship transformation which is happening for you. Okay, so this is very beautiful. Let me add message from the animal spirits for group 2. Trust in the divine detours. Trust in the divine plan. Okay, same. Co-ed spirit is here, and the divine message, the angel message is again for you. 11:11 is a recording reading time. Maybe you can see lot of 11:11 these days. That you have to trust in divine plan. Trust in divine detours. Okay, they have the best plan for you. So you do not have to worry at all. Just trust in the divine plan, okay, and move in a forward direction. Get ready for new things which are coming up for you. Okay, so let's see more messages. What is your life purpose here? Let's see. What is the life purpose for group 2? Please give me the life purpose. Okay. Please give me one message for group 1. Oh, sorry, group 2. Please give me, maybe you can see rainbows these days a lot. Talk to your angel. Angel are asking you to talk to them. Maybe you are not talking to them. Instead of worrying, you have to ask for guidance from the angels. 1-2-2-1 is a recording reading time. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. And that's why the message is that you have to trust in the divine plan. Maybe you are worrying a lot, you're carrying a lot of burdens and things on your shoulder here, because you are trying to fit in somewhere where you do not belong. Don't try to dim your light in order to fit in some area of your life. Okay, there is definitely a soulmate which is coming up for you. If you are already dealing with someone, that relationship is going to transform here in the month of December. And trust that there is a divine plan. Talk to the angels. Your angels are asking you to talk to them. Okay, instead of worrying, you have to talk to your angels here. So this is very powerful message. Speak up here. Okay, and choose to be loved. There is lot of downloads which are happening here. Maybe that's why this is the reading for you. And get ready for new horizons. Okay, now let me add, what is the thing group 2 needs to surrender? What is the thing group 2 needs to surrender? What is the thing group 2 needs? Surrender to the complete healing. Open fully to the loving, compassionate forces of the universe that support your physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. You need to surrender yourself to the complete healing. Everyone is here with you. You are not alone, and they are giving you lot of healing. The universe, the angels are providing you loving, compassionate healing which you need for your physical, emotional, mental, spiritual healing which you required. There is the healing energy which is present for you to group 2. So you just need to surrender yourself so that you can receive these healings. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the messages from the tarot for group 2. Please give me the messages for group 2. What are the messages for group 2? Can you see? This is 10 of Wands. You are carrying lot of burdens on your shoulders. Maybe you have lot of confusion which relationship you have to choose, and because of that you cannot sleep at night. You are not sleeping at all. Okay, so let's see what are the tarot messages for group 2. Please give me the messages for group 2. Okay, 8 of Wands. Please give me the messages for group 2. Please give me the messages. Wow. Okay, please give me the messages for group 2. There is lot of 888 synchronicities, so maybe you can also let me know in the comment section. You are definitely getting the number synchronicities of 888. Okay, 888 or 808 or 880, but you are getting the 888 synchronicities here. Okay, okay, so there is a communication which is coming up for you here. Okay, and you are right now feeling restricted, stuck here. Okay, this is the overthinking energy. Do not get stuck and trapped in your own mind thoughts. That's why the message is here, that instead of worrying, talk to your angels. They are present for you here, group 2. Do not get trapped in your own mind thoughts. Maybe you are overthinking a lot here, and because of that the angel wants you to talk. Okay, so talk to your angels. There is a communication which is coming up. There is a lot of communication which is coming up for you. This communication is coming up for you from your love partner, from the angels too. Okay, because I'm doing the angel reading, so this communication is also coming up. They want to talk to you. Your angels wants to talk to you. So there's a lot of communication, number synchronicities, signs which is coming up for you here. They want to talk to you here, and the other message is your love partner is going to talk to you. Your partner is coming and they are going to talk to you here. There's a lot of communication. Either they will contact you any social media app, or they will call you and talk to you. So there's a lot of communication. Okay, communication is the message here which I am receiving for you, group 2. They are coming with you with an offer, a love offer. This is very loyal, stable, committed offer, very romantic love offer which is coming up for you with the Knight of Cups. Right now you are working a lot. 8 of Pentacle energy is here, so this is very hard work. You are putting lot of hard work in your relationships. Okay, you are putting lot of efforts. Maybe you are putting lot of efforts or hard work or lot of energy, time in this relationship, but now you are going to move in a forward direction with the Chariot. You are not going to be stuck in this energy of 8 of Swords. Okay, so you are going to move in a forward direction with the Chariot, because now you know what is right and what is wrong for you, what is white and what is black here. You just need to keep your strength here, keep your strength and keep moving in a forward direction. Okay, so that's the tarot message which I am receiving here for you. Now let me see some messages from the astrological decks. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver for group 2? Some of you, you are the Scorpio. Scorpio energy is here. What is the message for group 2? Please give me the message for group 2. What is the message here? What is the message for group 2? See, I told you Scorpio is here. Okay. Scorpio energy is here. So some of you, you are a Scorpio. Okay, and there is Libra here, there is Aries, and there is Taurus here. So Taurus, Aries, Libra and Scorpio energy is here. And the messages from the planets is, right now Pluto and Venus is helping you out. Right now you have the ability to transform. Okay, this is phoenix rising from ashes. You need to take a big leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. Okay, you are transforming here. See, the transformation is taking place here. So this is the transformation which is taking up for you in terms of your love life. Okay, 2020 is a recording reading time. This is your relationship transformation which is taking place for you here. Okay, and you can transform because you have that ability to transform into phoenix rising from ashes. Okay, and the second message is Venus. This is the part of you that desires beauty, success, indulgence, and valuables here. Okay. Okay, so the Venus energy is here, and this is very powerful message. This Venus is helping you out. Okay, the Venus helps in relationship basically, and they are sending you a soulmate. The love is in the air, group 2, and they are sending you out a soulmate, a beautiful relationship, a relationship of your own choice. Okay, so they are helping you out to complete your inner desires, the beauty, the success, valuables in terms of relationships here. So this is very powerful message here. Now let's see messages for group 2 from the astrology deck, and this is very beautiful deck. Let's see more message for you. Please give me the message for group number 2. Again, Scorpio energy is here. Definitely you are someone who is a Scorpio here. Some of you are Scorpio here, and this energy is very intense, masterful, thoughtful. Okay, so let's see. Please give me the messages for group 2. Please give me the messages for group 2. Wow, so all fire signs are here. Okay, Aries was here and Sagittarius is here. So you can be a fire sign, Aries or Sagittarius is here. That's the energy I'm receiving. There can be a water sign, only Scorpio is here. So Scorpio is here. So you may be a Scorpio, an Aries, a Sagittarius. There can be a Taurus or a Capricorn here. Okay, that's the earth sign, and there can be a Libra here. So this was your reading for group number 2, and this is very powerful reading, very beautiful reading, I can say. Okay, so just open up and say whatever you want to say, and you can talk to the angels, because right now you have the angels around yourself. They want to talk to you. Do not worry at all if you are feeling stuck or restricted here in terms of your relationship. You are going to move in a forward direction, and there is lot of 888 synchronicities. That means 8 number synchronicity is here. So maybe you can see infinite symbol, infinity symbol. That can also be a possibility. You have to trust in the divine plan. Okay, and don't try to fit in any relationship or in your family, in your friends, in your job here, because you are dimming your light here. Okay, there is a soulmate which is coming up for you here. So this is very powerful message here. So I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love and healing and happy energies to group 2 who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself group 2, and see you soon.